Hi, I'm Fred Glass, and I'd like to take just a couple minutes to tell you about my new book, Making Your Own Luck, From a Skid Row Bar to Rebuilding Indiana University Athletics. On Father's Day 2018, my daughter Katie gave me what turned out to be one of the greatest gifts I've ever received. It was a one-year subscription to a service that emailed me weekly questions about my life, shared my answers with Katie, gave her the opportunity to comment on them, and then bound them all into beautiful books. The book was an unexpected, emotional, magical sharing for all of us. My son Connor told me that he cried when he read it. It also gave me the desire and confidence to heed my late mother's admonition, "Fred, you have to write a book someday." This is that book. I'm coming to you from the Red Key Tavern here in my neighborhood in Indianapolis, which seems apropos to talk about my book because it's really been a part of my family for at least 75 years, going back to when my grandfather came by, looked in, saw my underage uncle playing pool and drinking, and called the cops on him. The Red Key was one of my dad's main drinking haunts, and since then has become my family's go-to spot for dates, hanging with friends, and after sets for weddings, funerals, back-to-school nights, and the like. While the Red Key thus seems an apropos place to describe a book about my life, it is not the bar in the title. For one thing, the Red Key is not a Skid Row bar. But my dad's place, Georgia's Liberty Bar, sure was, and I learned a lot about life growing up in the back of it. My book tells that story and how it, along with other challenges of having an alcoholic father, struggling with anxiety and self-doubt, and making more than my share of mistakes, yet supported by socially enlightened parents, a Jesuit education, and my soulmate Barbara, led me to exciting and important opportunities to serve a mayor, a governor, a senator, a president, and most recently, Indiana University. Along the way, I learned and share with you in the book how a knucklehead like me could recognize and seize opportunities and thus make your own luck. Luck being where preparation meets opportunity. In fact, I lay out 10 specific precepts you can use in your professional and personal lives to help you make your own luck and how I've applied them in my life. I hope you get even half as much enjoyment from reading the book as I did writing it. You can pre-order it from going to my website, fred-glass.com, where you can book me for a speaking engagement or other event, leave a comment, sign up for the newsletter, and so forth. So thanks so much for taking a little time today, and I hope to see you soon, maybe here at the Red Key.